Hello guys! New mount KR-1B with a quick release. It is designed for Zenitka 2GR and Zenitka 2D flashlights. I will tell about its characteristics and show how to mount it on a rifle. Also, I will demonstrate previously released mounts KR-1 and KR-1U. My name is Anastasia. In previous video, Dmitry demonstrated different ways of installation of flashlight on a rifle, and one of options was Zenitka 2GR flashlight on KR-1U mount. He mentioned that a quick release is possible, and we finally made a mount with a quick release KR-1B. It is already available, so let's look at it closer. KR-1B quick release mount. If you watched our video about our Vzor 1 red dot, it may seem familiar to you, and you will be right. The quick release platform is the same in both cases. In this case, it is installed on a mount for a flashlight by 4 screws. Main parts of the mount: ring for installation of a flashlight, either Zenitka 2GR or Zenitka 2D. This screw should be tightened. The hex key is in the kit. Quick release lever: you pull the top part, you open the lever, you close the lever, you put the top part in its original position. Finally, a screw for adjustment for your Picatinny rail. So the first thing for installation, you install a mount on a rail without a flashlight, you adjust the screw so there is no wobble, and after it is adjusted, you may install a flashlight. For comparison, other mounts for Zenitka 2GR and Zenitka 2D flashlights. KR-1 and KR-1U. The difference is that KR-1U allows to move the flashlight either to the top or on the side if you are installing it on the top Picatinny rail. Let's weight all the options. KR-1U 41 gram. KR-1 49 grams. KR-1B 63 grams, but with a quick release. Before installation, a couple of words about compatible flashlights that are Zenitka 2GR and Zenitka 2D. The difference is the depth of the reflector. Zenitka 2D has a deeper reflector that gives a more focused beam of light on longer distances. Zenitka 2GR, Zenitka 2D. I made a separate video about these flashlights. I will leave a link in the description. Today I'm speaking about them as about weapon flashlights, but they can be used in ordinary life as well. For example, personally, I like Zenitka 2GR flashlight. That is my favorite flashlight that I use at home to light something if I need that. And I also take it to all the trips I take. For example, it is a very joyful thing to walk along the beach under the stars, listen to the waves and lighten your way with Zenitka 2GR flashlight. Let's install it on the rifle. AKMS KR-1B mount. First thing to do, to adjust the mount, install it. See, there is wobble. You need to tighten the screw. The mount is adjusted. Now I will install the flashlight into the mount. I will take off the loop. Try not to break my nails. Not a single nail broken. Now I insert flashlight, tighten the screw and install it on Picatinny ring. Zenitka 2GR is installed, and if I need to quickly take it off, I can quickly take it off and use it as a carried flashlight. You can order it in our online store en.zenitco.ru or in partner stores. See the list of official partners on en.zenitco.ru in Partners section. Press the like button if you like the video, follow our channel and write your questions in the comment section. And I will see you soon. Goodbye.